Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Good students, shall we start the lesson? In this 13th lesson, market, we have learned about the classification of market. Now let us see about the marketer, meaning market. Marketer, okay. What is the meaning? Marketer. Marketer, one who deals in the market, isn't it? So what he does? He may promote or he will sell a product or service. That person we can say he is a marketer. Okay. Or we can say the person one who is doing the job marketing. Okay. So the person one who is doing the job marketing, we can say he is the marketer. Or we can say a person who is promoting the exchange of goods and services. That person may be a marketer, isn't it? So one who deals in a market and one whose job involves marketing and one who promotes or exchange goods or services for money. Okay, that we can say he is a marketer. Okay, different meanings given. Then here one definition is given. Okay, from the business dictionary. What is that definition says? Here they have divided that duty of a marketer into two. Okay, so we can learn from that. The person whose duties include the identification of goods and services. First, his work is identification. Identification of the goods and services desired by a set of consumers. What these consumers need. Okay, so first they have to identify the goods and services which are desired by a set of consumers. Then next duty is marketing those goods and services to those consumers on behalf of a company. They are called marketer. Okay, so the business dictionary says a person whose duties include the identification of the goods and services desired by a set of consumers as well as the marketing of those goods and services on behalf of a company. That is called the definition of marketer. Okay, so now we will learn the next heading. What can be marketed? What can be marketed? We know only the goods and services, isn't it? So here we are going to learn something more about that. First, goods. The ordinary goods, isn't it? So we can say the manufactured goods. Okay, goods means manufactured. So we can say the agricultural product also will come under this goods. Okay, so we can say all the items. Okay, manufactured goods, we can say the consumable products, soap, that paste, brush, all these things. Okay, consumables. Then durable goods. Durable, maybe that fridge, all the electronic goods. Okay, then we can machineries. Okay, durable goods, the machineries. Okay, then now the modern things, the computers, its software, hardware products. Okay, all these will come under the heading goods. Okay, all kinds of goods. Okay, either it is manufactured or it may be produced. Okay, from the that means cultivated products. Okay, goods means that includes products. Okay, then next one, services. Goods and services we have studied in the definition itself. Identification of the goods and services that are desired by the set of consumers. So next one is the services. We can say not only the physical goods but some services are also marketed. What services we can say? For example, banking. They never sell goods, but they do service, isn't it? Then insurance companies, we can say then hospitals. They never sell goods, but they do some service, isn't it? Then financial institutions, okay. Many other services we get, isn't it? Transportations, transport facilities, okay. All these are services. These are also marketed, okay. Then that transport, we can say that travel agencies. Then we can say about the tourism. Okay, many areas there. So all these are the services marketed. Services can also be marketed. Okay, the third one is experience. Experience, we can say, for example, if we go to a particular place and some amusement park, we can say, there they do services, dance services, we can say. We experience something. That experience we can never enjoy in some other places, isn't it? So that one amusement park, theme park, okay, so or any other hill climbing, that mountaineering, okay, all these experiences also can be marketed. Okay, so they are doing that advertisement, isn't it? For amusement park, theme park and all. Then the next one, events. Events, we know, some programs, some events. In the TV also we watch many events, isn't it? Some reality show. Okay, there are sports events. Okay, sports events. Then any fair, that exhibition. All these are what? The events. These are also advertised. These are also marketed. Okay. Then the next one, persons. Don't think persons are marketed. Okay. Here, persons in the sense, some their goods and services are marketed through these persons. Okay. So, for example, that eminent personalities, maybe the celebrities. Okay, celebrities. If we think about any one product, immediately we think of the person who does that advertisement, isn't it? So those person, they are in charge. They are responsible for that brand. Okay. So for example, that tea, one lady used to come, isn't it? So in the same way, for each and every person, one actor will be coming for one particular advertisement. Okay. So those celebrities are persons. They are responsible. They are taking care of a particular thing. Okay, particular product. So they are called the persons here. Okay. Then places. Places here we can say any tourist place we can say. Okay, tourist places or any new residence. Nowadays it is a big business, isn't it? Residence, new residence, then any big building or land also we can say. Okay, this can also be marketed under the goods. Okay, under the what can be marketed. Even places can also be marketed. The next one, properties. That we know, isn't it? Many properties will be sold. Here we can say the real property, any machineries or any other things. Okay, or big land also will come under this one, property. Okay, and other goods also come. Okay, for example, that real properties and other that financial properties. What are the financial properties? We can say the shares, debentures, securities, isn't it? All these will be the properties. These properties can also be bought and sold in the market. Then organizations. Here they will not sell, they are not speaking about the organization. This organization will market, instead of attracting the customers, they will do some work, some special work in order to attract the attention of the customers. That can be marketed. How? This organization will be familiar, will become more famous among the people. Okay, if a particular organization is doing some that free medical facilities in a village, or some organization will adopt the villagers also, a village, and they will do almost all facilities for that village. Okay, so that organization is becoming familiar. So here what is marketed? Actually the organization. Okay, actually the organization is not sold, but here marketing, they are becoming famous. Okay, that they are, then some other services also, any charitable facilities will be done by a particular organization, then that organization will be familiar among those people. Okay, that is, organizations can also be marketed. Okay, then information. Information, we know nowadays they are getting the information, our phone number. Many people will be calling us, isn't it? From where they get our phone number, we do not know, isn't it? That is a mystery for us. But this information, one organization's information will be collected by other organization. Okay, our teachers, number of teachers, name of the teachers, those who are working, they can get from the our school, isn't it? Or from the PF department, who are all working in the private organization, who are all working in the government organization. They can get the full details from the PF organization, isn't it? In the same way, the information of one organization will be used by other organizations. So the information also can be marketed by some other organizations. Okay, the last one is ideas. Now the ideas, any innovative ideas, okay, any attractive ideas, if it is given, nowadays many people they give, isn't it? About even that innovative ideas only will be the basis for any innovation or for that invention. Okay, so these ideas can also be given, any good ideas, how to promote the sale. Okay, so for that innovative ideas can also be marketed. Okay, hope you might have understood all these things that what can be marketed. Okay, shall we mark the question answers now? Define marketer. Okay, define marketer, second question, 105. This definition. Okay, a person whose duties include the identification of the goods and services desired by a set of consumers as well as the marketing of those goods and services on behalf of a company. That is the definition. Now, short answer. We have marked both. Okay. Then, okay, that only one answer. Okay. That's all. In the next class, we will learn about the next lesson. Okay, marketing and marketing mix. Okay, the remaining things not available. Okay, deleted portion. Role of a marketer and the functions of a marketer. Okay. Then in 14th lesson, yeah, here also we have 14 point, meaning and definition of marketing mix, elements of marketing mix, matrix. Okay, not available. Okay, so we will learn in the Zoom class. Okay students, thank you very much.